If you're like me, you have a CPA, a realtor, a lawyer, a financial planner, a car mechanic, all these professionals that help you out in areas that you're just not an expert in. One of the areas that I believe a lot of people overlook that they really need lifelong help with is their mortgage. I'm a loan officer with Skyridge Lending out of Woodland Park, Colorado. And I really feel like a better term than a loan officer is a mortgage planner. I really feel that there are so many unanswered questions, so many pieces of the puzzle that a lot of people just don't even know about. They don't know their options. They don't know how to be able to use a mortgage and use the equity in their home to be able to leverage themselves to meet their long and short-term goals. Well, that's what I'm here for. On this Mortgage Matters channel, I want to help educate you with everything that you can do out there in a mortgage. A lot of people have bought into the idea that you just get the easiest mortgage with the lowest rate, you set it and you forget it. But we all know life happens. Things change. You may need to access the equity in your home. Well, what does that look like? How do I do that? What's the best way to get tapped into that largest asset of my life? So I would love for you to subscribe and like this channel, come back, check out what I'm able to educate you on and all of the ins and outs of a mortgage, how it can be utilized to better your situation. And that's exactly what this video and this channel is going to be all about. So if you have questions, if you have certain topics that you'd like me to discuss, please reach out, let me know. And I'll be back to have more detailed discussions on how to get a mortgage, what type of mortgage. Should I use a bank? Should I use a mortgage broker? What's the difference? What about a lender, a retail? There's so many things out there that we're just uneducated about, and I'm here to help you just through the entire process and to know exactly what you need and want to do with your mortgage. Again, please subscribe, like this channel, and I'll be back.